Welcome all, this is yet another video in topology series. In this we will see locally connected space and locally path connected space. First of all, let us see definition of locally connected space. Any topological space X is said to be locally connected at point X if for every neighborhood U of X there exists connected neighborhood V of X such that V is contained inside U. And the space is said to be locally connected if it is locally connected at each point X of X. Note here that Ux is any neighborhood of X. It may or may not be connected, but there should exist another neighborhood V of X such that the neighborhood V is connected and it is contained in U. Then we can say the space is locally connected. Similarly, we can define locally path connected space. Any topological space X is locally path connected if for every neighborhood U of X there exists a path connected neighborhood V of X such that V is contained inside U. Now let us see some examples. If you consider space A is equal to interval closed at 1 open at 2 union interval open at 2 closed at 6, then consider for any X belonging to A Ux to be any neighborhood, say open interval y2 union open interval 2z, then this is the neighborhood which is not connected in A, but there exists another neighborhood V is equal to open interval y2 which is connected and it is contained inside U, and such a connected neighborhood always exists for each and every X in A. Therefore this space is locally connected. The topological space R is connected and it is locally connected as well, because the definition of locally connected space will hold in out. The space of rational numbers is not connected and it is not locally connected as well. Any open interval as a subspace of real line is locally connected and it is locally path connected as well. For example, closed interval 1 2 is connected, it is locally connected and locally path connected as well. Note here that connectedness does not necessarily imply locally connectedness. The counterexample for this is topologist sine curve. This is connected space, but it is not locally connected. Similarly, negation of connectedness also does not imply local connectedness. And the counterexample for this is the space we have seen in first example. A is equal to the interval closed at 1 open at 2 union with interval open at 2 closed at 6, which is not connected, but still it is locally connected. Now we will look at one theorem. Theorem says that a space X is locally connected if and only if for every open set U of X each component of U is open in X. To prove this, let us consider X is locally connected space. Then what will be our claim? To show that some component C of U is open in X, where U is open set in X. Now to show that this component is open, let us consider X belongs to C, and we know that U is the neighborhood of X. Then there exists a connected neighborhood V of X such that V is contained in U, and this we can write because X is locally connected space. And now as V is connected and X lies in intersection of C and V, where C is a component, therefore V lies inside the component C. So what we get is X belongs to V such that V is contained inside C, and this implies C is open, and as C is considered to be arbitrary component, each and every component of U is open in X. Now conversely assume that C is any component of open set U such that C is open, then our claim will be to show that X is locally connected. So for this, let us consider X belongs to X and U be any neighborhood of X such that C is the component of U. And as C is component of U, C will always be connected and it will be open. So here C itself is the connected neighborhood V of X, and therefore X is locally connected space at X, and this will happen for all X, therefore X will be locally connected space.